ladies and gentlemen. This is your man Charles here with the Kings of Tech, coming back with another short video. I was already working on a review of the M1 MacBook Air that was released in 2020, and interesting, the screen went out. It's completely black, as you can see, and I tried all the tips and tricks online to try to get it back started. So I finally had to set a Genius Bar appointment with Apple on Tuesday, and going to take it down there and see what happens and see if it affects my thoughts on using the MacBook Air M1 in 2022. So we'll see what happens, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks again for watching. Peace. Finally made it to North Lake Mall for my Genius appointment with Apple. See if we can get this M1 MacBook Air together. Let's get on in here. We're in the mall. Finally made it to the Apple store. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your man Charles, giving a little update on what's going on with my laptop. Had to visit the Apple store. Looked like it's going to cost me around $400 to get fixed. He said it could be the display or the board. He doesn't know yet. The turnaround time is somewhere between 5 to 7 business days. So I should have put that Apple Care on there. Great lesson for me. But we'll see what happens. Good evening. The day is Thursday. I actually had took my M1 MacBook Air back to Apple on Tuesday, and the rep told me it would take 5 to 7 business days, but it actually came back to me within 2 days, Thursday, which is today, and was pretty quick because they shipped it via FedEx. And it was shipped right back. So 2 days. Those Apple technicians are pretty fast on what they do. The customer experience was excellent. I love Apple's top-notch service, and the way they treat you, the way they speak to you, the knowledge that the tech spoke to me was pretty excellent. So here we have it right here. Going to go ahead and take it out. And oh man, what do we say here? Thanks for choosing Apple Care service. Our technicians have successfully repaired your product. And it shows that they look like they replaced the display assembly. So they gave me a new display. Let's fire it up. See what we got here. It's coming up. Oh, you gotta type in your password, bro. It's not gonna happen without your password. Oh, beloved screen. Um, Everything pretty snappy as before. Screen is beautiful. So my experience with the Genius Bar was excellent and quick. I mean, 2 business days, you can't beat that. And the way they cleaned up the laptop, because I had fingerprints all over, they just cleaned everything up. So I'm pretty happy I got my laptop back, and that's pretty cool. 2 days, you can't beat that. Thank you, Apple. If anyone's out there listening, thank you again for the top-notch service. So, is the M1 MacBook Air still any good in 2022? It's going to run a couple of benchmark tests. Let's open up Geekbench. Hmm. 1737 single core performance and 7769 multi core score. Not too bad at all. Very excellent. Um, this is my daily driver. I use it to edit all of my videos. Um, I know that the M2 MacBook Air is out, looks beautiful and everything, but the base model, as far as the SSD is concerned, from what I understand, it is slower than the base model of this. So I would have to bump and get the 512 model in order to get a faster one. So I'm gonna stick with this for now because everything's working fine. Um, the question being asked is the M1 MacBook Air still any good in 2022? Excellent. Um, unless you just want the latest and greatest, I would go ahead and get the new M2 MacBook Air. But for right now, I'm gonna stick with my M1. It's fast, it does everything I need it to do. There's really no need for me to upgrade right now. And you just can't beat this machine. Everything's working fine. So thanks again for everyone for watching. Please click that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.